Elon Musk is at it again, this time with the latest Tesla factory. He got a new rodeo in town for Austin as Tesla inaugurated its mega factory at its global headquarters. Elon Musk spoke at the grand opening event for the electric vehicle maker's new $1.1 billion factory while fireworks lit up the Texan city sky. That's interesting. Today on Celebrity Gossip, we're going to take you into the world of Elon Musk and Tesla. Is Elon Musk's new Tesla factory the highest building in the world? One of Tesla's major missions is to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy through increasingly affordable electric vehicles and energy products. To speed up production to 500,000 cars per year, Tesla alone will require today's entire worldwide supply of lithium-ion batteries. The Tesla Gigafactory was born out of necessity to speed up manufacturing and will supply enough batteries to support Tesla's projected vehicle demand. Today, the Gigafactory produces Model 3 electric motors and battery packs, in addition to Tesla's energy storage products, Powerwall, and Powerpack. However, Tesla broke ground on the Gigafactory in June 2014 outside Sparks, Nevada. The name Gigafactory comes from the word giga, the unit of measurement representing billions. The Gigafactory is being built in phases so that Tesla can begin manufacturing immediately inside the finished sections and continue to expand thereafter. Already, the current structure has a footprint of more than 1.9 billion square feet, which houses approximately 5.3 million square feet of operational space across several floors. Still, the Gigafactory is about 30% done. Once complete, Tesla expects the Gigafactory to be the biggest building in the world and entirely powered by renewable energy sources. Designed to be a net zero energy factory upon completion, the facility will be primarily powered by solar, and installation is already underway. In 2018, battery production at Gigafactory 1 reached an annualized rate of roughly 20 gigawatt hours, making it the highest volume battery plant in the world. Tesla currently produces more batteries in terms of kilowatt hours than all other car makers combined. With the Gigafactory ramping up production, Tesla's cost of battery cells will significantly decline through economies of scale, innovative manufacturing, reduction of waste, and the simple optimization of localizing most manufacturing processes under one roof. By reducing the cost of batteries, Tesla can make products available to more and more people, allowing us to make the biggest possible impact on transitioning the world to sustainable energy. There are a few interesting facts about this Elon Musk Tesla factory you should know, and they include: number one, many of the products currently being developed there are classified. When the BBC took a tour of the factory, it was instructed not to ask questions about the work that was underway. All they did was tour around, take pictures, and go. Number two, the factory has around 1,000 construction workers that are typically working on the project at any one time. Number three, the entire project is projected to cost over $5 billion, with funding coming from Musk's own fortune, Tesla's developmental partner Panasonic, and individual investors. Number four, before we forget, this factory is located on 3,200-acre lot and contains 5.8 million square feet or 539,000 square meters of operational space. The Gigafactory's mammoth footprint is without precedent. Number five, during the time of the official opening in 2016, over 14% of the building was complete. However, this was enough space for production operations to be put in motion. Construction has continued as operations proceed in the completed wings. Number six, the entire factory was expected to be completed by 2020. Number seven, the impetus for the Gigafactory was Musk's frustration at the need to ship parts between different assembly locations. The new facility will be large enough for every stage of production to take place at the same site. Where the shipping costs start to become significant, the obvious way to combat that is to put at least one Gigafactory on the same continent, Elon Musk explained. Number 8, the factory has targeted at least 6,000 employees. Number 9, although Tesla has many products, the focus of this facility is batteries. Solidly on track to achieve a battery production volume of 35 gigawatt hours per year, annualized run rate by the end of 2018. This is 2 years ahead of the original 2020 target date for achieving these volumes. That is more than the combined global production of batteries in 2014. Production could increase to 150 gigawatt hours. Number 10, all energy that will be used in this facility will be drawn from sustainable sources. The largest source of energy will be the building's own roof, which will be totally coated in solar panels. Now, let's know about the face behind Tesla. About Elon Musk. Elon Reeve Musk was born on June 28, 1971, in Pretoria, a segregated suburb of apartheid South Africa. His mother is May Musk, a model and dietitian born in Saskatchewan, Canada, but raised in South Africa. His father is Errol Musk, a white South African electromechanical engineer, pilot, sailor, consultant, and property developer who was once a half owner of a Zambian emerald mine near Lake Tanganyika. Elon has a younger brother, Kimball, who was born in 1972, and a younger sister, Tosca, born 1974. His maternal grandfather, Joshua Halderman, was an adventurous American-born Canadian who took his family on record-breaking journeys in a single-engine Bellingcat airplane to Africa and Australia. Musk has British and Pennsylvania Dutch ancestry. In 1994, Elon held 2 internships in Silicon Valley during the summer at energy storage startup Pinnacle Research Institute, which researched electrolytic ultracapacitors for energy storage, and at the Palo Alto-based startup Rocket Science Games. In 1995, he was accepted to a Doctor of Philosophy PhD program in material science at Stanford University in California. Elon attempted to get a job at Netscape but never received a response to his inquiries. He dropped out of Stanford after 2 days, deciding instead to join the internet boom and launch an internet startup. In 1999, Elon co-founded X.com, an online financial services and email payment company. The startup was one of the first federally insured online banks, and in its initial months of operation, over 200,000 customers joined the service. The company's investors regarded Elon as inexperienced and had him replaced with Intuit CEO Bill Harris by the end of the year. The following year, X.com merged with online bank Confinity to avoid competition. Founded by Max Levchin and Peter Thiel, Confinity had its own money transfer service, PayPal, which was more popular than X.com's service. The group returned to the United States empty-handed. In February 2002, the group returned to Russia to look for 3 ICBMs. They had another meeting with Cosmotron and were offered 1 rocket for $8 million, which Musk rejected. Musk instead decided to start a company that could build affordable rockets. With $100 million of his early fortune, Elon founded Space Exploration Technologies Corp., traded as SpaceX, in May 2002. As of 2021, he remains the company's CEO and also holds the title of Chief Engineer. SpaceX attempted its first launch of the Falcon 1 rocket in 2006, and although the rocket failed to reach Earth orbit, it was awarded a Commercial Orbital Transportation Services Program contract from NASA later that year. After 2 more failed attempts, which reportedly caused Musk so much stress that he was waking from nightmares, screaming, and in physical pain, SpaceX succeeded in launching the Falcon 1 into orbit in 2008, making it the first private liquid fuel rocket to do so. Later that year, SpaceX received a $1.6 billion commercial resupply services program contract from NASA for 12 flights of its Falcon 9 rocket and Dragon spacecraft to the International Space Station, replacing the space shuttle after its 2011 retirement. In 2012, the Dragon vehicle birthed with the ISS, a first for a private enterprise. Tesla Inc., originally Tesla Motors, was incorporated in July 2003 by Martin Eberhard and Mark Topperning, who financed the company until the Series A round of funding. Both men played active roles in the company's early development prior to Elon's involvement. Elon led a Series A round of investment in February 2004. He invested $6.5 million, became the majority shareholder, and joined Tesla's board of directors as chairman. Elon took an active role within the company and oversaw Roadster product design, but was not deeply involved in the day-to-day business operations. In September 2018, Elon was sued by the SEC for a tweet claiming funding had been secured for potentially taking Tesla private. The lawsuit characterized the tweet as false, misleading, and damaging to investors, and sought to bar Elon from serving as CEO of publicly traded companies. 2 days later, Musk settled with the SEC without admitting or denying the SEC's allegations. As a result, Elon and Tesla were fined $20 million each, and Musk was forced to step down for 3 years as Tesla chairman but was able to remain as CEO. You want to know the reason Elon constructed this company in Austin? Well, according to him, Tesla chose to build a factory in Austin because the company ran out of room in California, where its headquarters are located. They need a place where they can be really big, and there's no place like Texas.
We ran out of room, and so we need a place where we can be really big. And there's no place like Texas.
We'd like to know your thoughts about this Tesla factory. Is it worth the hype? Drop your thoughts and comments in the section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Thanks.